Hey, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you at Doniston, we have our 383 stroker with 450 horsepower. This customer asked us to add a few little upgrades to it. He went with the Edelbrock fuel pump, the fuel line and filter combo. We've got the old school valve covers on here, the finned aluminum with the breathers to match, as well as the air cleaner. He also chose to go with the Holley carburetor on this model, which is a really nice choice for his 85 pickup truck. If there's anything we can help you with as far as this design or any of our other ones, feel free to give us a call at 800-267-3940 or check us out online at proformanceunlimited.com. Let's take you over to Doniston.